आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, today's question is draw the graph of y is equal to x minus 1, 6x minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. Clearly, domain is real number excluding point 1 by 2 because at x is equal to 1 by 2 this function is not defined. So we'll get at x is equal to 1 by 2 will be the asymptotes. Now we'll write function fx as fx will get 6x square by multiplying 6x square will get minus x minus 6x minus 7x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. Now f dash x will get 2x minus 1 whole square. Now 2x minus 1 whole square, differentiation of numerator will get 12x minus 7 into 2x minus 1 minus differentiation of denominator will get 2 6x square minus 7x plus 1. Now, so after calculation, what we'll get? 12x 24x square minus 12x square will get 12x square. Now from here what we'll get? 12x minus 14x minus 2x minus 12x minus 14x minus 26x minus 26x plus 14 minus 12x. Now constant will get 7 minus 2 which is equal to 5 divided by 2x minus 1 whole square. So if we'll observe discriminant, what we are getting, discriminant is equal to 144 minus 4 into 12 into 5. So 144 4AC 4 into 12 into 5 which will get 144 minus 240 which is less than 0. So clearly the coefficient of x square is positive. This is going to be strictly positive for every real number, but it is not defined at x is equal to 1 by 2. Now f dash x is strictly increasing in the whole interval, but it is not defined at x is equal to 1 by 2. Now we'll draw the graph by using this one. Now function is basically fx is given as fx is equal to x minus 1 6x minus 1 x minus 1 6x minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. Now if you'll observe what is the value of f of 0, what we are getting, minus 1 1 divided by minus 1 which will give you minus 1. So at x is equal to 0 function value is minus 1. This is 0.0 comma minus 1. Now clearly this x is equal to 1 by 2, x is equal to 1 by 2 is your asymptote. X is equal to 1 by 2 is your asymptote. So the graph will be, the line asymptote will be something like this. Now, so this is line x is equal to 1 by 2. Now, this function is getting 0. Fx is getting 0 at x is equal to 1 comma 1 by 6. So 1 is somewhat here, and at 1 by 6 it is getting 0 at x is equal to 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 is somewhat here. This is point 1 comma 0. This is point 1 by 6. This point is 1 by 6 comma 0. Now if you see, as x approaches to 1 by 2, see clearly this function, the graph is moving something like this, and as x approaches to minus infinity, now limit of x approaches to minus infinity, if you'll observe, so what we are getting, dividing this will give you, as x approaches to minus infinity, so this will give you x minus 1, 1 minus 1 by x, and 6 minus 1 by x divided by 1 by x into 2 minus 1 by x. Now, this is getting 6, numerator is getting 6, denominator is getting, as x approaches to minus infinity, this is getting 0. Now, this is getting 1 into 6, 6, and this is getting 1 by x, x approaches to minus infinity, this is in negative. This is getting close to 0 with negative sign. So this whole portion is moving to minus infinity. So the graph is basically moving to somewhat like this one. Now, if you'll observe, as x approaches to 1 by 2, x approaches to 1 by 2 from the left hand side, what we'll get? This value will get negative, and this is getting negative. This is also getting negative. Now, this is getting positive. 1 by 3, 1 by 2, if we'll substitute, we'll get 3 minus 1, 2 positive. And this is getting negative. 1 by 2 minus 1, this is negative, and this is getting 1 by 2, this is getting negative. Basically, negative, 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 negative. This is negative. So basically what we are getting, negative, negative, positive. So with this logic, this will approach to plus infinity and going parallel to the asymptote. Now, if x approaches to 1 by 2 from right hand side, so this is going to be positive, this is positive, this is negative. So this is moving to negative infinity, and it will pass through somewhat point 1 comma 0, and this will be, as x approaches to infinity, by the same logic, this denominator will approach to 0 here with plus sign. So it will move to plus infinity. So this is moving something like this one. So our final graph is this one and this one. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।